There are 2 tabs on the study website designed to collect your location-specific comments. The Environment tab contains a map of sensitive environmental features and community resources we've identified within the study area. Buttons in the top left corner let you adjust the base map, view the legend, or add additional features to the map. Click the light bulb pencil button to drop a pin on the map and add a comment. Once you've typed in your comment, be sure to click Save to add it to the map. On a phone or tablet, the maps may look different, but you can review these instructions if you tap the blue I button. The Transportation Needs tab works the same way, but on this page, we'd like your input about existing transportation issues in the study area. This could include busy intersections, narrow driving lanes, poor drainage, or other concerns about getting around town. Finally, be sure to take the survey too. Enter your responses and click the Submit button at the bottom when you're done. We'll collect the same data at the December 14th public meeting if you prefer to share your thoughts in person. You can drop by the Center Square Gym Tuesday, December 14th between 4 and 8 p.m. We hope to see you there.